Hi everyone, Niecy Harmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today on this episode of Craft With Me, we will be creating pampered hands and foot scrubs. So let's get started. But with all this hand washing that I do, as far as it being the springtime, it's changing of seasons, a lot of times my hands are very rough on the outside, and so I thought this would be a great way to relax and rest and enjoy creating two luxurious hand and foot scrubs for your liking. Some of the basic ingredients that we will use, some of these things are straight out of your kitchen, like oil, oatmeal, sugar, salt, food coloring, etc. So this is going to be a great experience. I hope you have all these things ready. First thing, we'll start with our sugar scrub. So with the sugar scrub, we're going to use our sugar here as well as the oil. We will use food coloring. So I believe I will use I'm going to do yellow today. So I'm going to use the yellow food coloring for this. And I have the choice of vanilla extract for flavor or for scent. I have a organic peppermint oil, and I have some scented lavender beads or petals. I'm going to use lavender as well as the vanilla for this one. So in this bowl, I'm going to put 1 cup of sugar. Sugar has a great way of exfoliating the skin. So we're going to put one cup of sugar. Okay, so I'll put 1 cup of sugar into this bowl. And the reason that I do this sugar scrub a lot is because I decided to do it for a Mother's Day gift once, and they loved it and they wanted more and more and more. So this is why I love to do sugar scrubs. I'm gonna put 1/3 cup of oil. So yeah, I'm gonna put 1/3 cup of oil in here. Okay, so I add my 1/3 cup of oil. And I'm going to add a few drops of vanilla for scent and a few lavender petals. So my lavender petals are as such. I got these from a farmer's market and they smell amazing. And lavender is really good for calming and soothing. So we will stir this mixture up. And sometimes I put rosemary in here. Though fresh rosemary can be very strong as far as the scent is concerned. So I try to go light on that. Last but not least, I'm going to add in the food coloring. Now, if you have skin allergies, you may want to test it on your skin, a drop on your skin, and let it sit for about 15 minutes before you add something like this. I know that I'm not allergic to it, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour. So I'm going to do about 5 drops of food coloring, and then I will stir. So I'll just go ahead and transfer it over. I'm not sure if I really like this yellow. I'm gonna add a little bit of red in there. So let's add a little bit of red in here. Just a couple drops. I think I want it to be orange. So let's go ahead and move this around and turn it a different color. Okay, so this is my sugar scrub. I'm going to actually practice this sugar scrub with you all. So I have my water station and my hand washing station here. So I'm going to take a bit of the sugar scrub, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and I'm going to moisturize all over my hands, especially the back side, because this side is getting rough. So Now you would do something like this, maybe at Bath and Body Works or something of that nature, but hey, you can do it in the comfort of your own home, okay? And then I'll do a little wash. Okay. And my towel here. And I am shining like all outside. Okay, look at this. So my hands feel amazing. Oh my goodness. Did I just go get a mask or what? So you can make a great hand scrub with just 3 or 4 ingredients. So let's move on to our next scrub. So we'll put this to the side here. So we're gonna use 1/4 cup. So we need a 1/4 cup of oatmeal. And this is just the old-fashioned oats, just old-fashioned dry oats. So I'll put this in there. So there's a 1/4 cup of oatmeal and a 1/4 cup of salt. So we're just gonna use the coarse sea salt. So we'll put a 1/4 cup of sea salt in there. And then we have a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Okay, so this has to be soft. Okay, so you need a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. So we'll put that in here. So this is a refined version, but you can use the unrefined also. So we'll put a 1/4 cup in here. We need a tablespoon of honey. So I'm not necessarily going to measure the honey, but we're just going to put a little bit in here. And we're going to call it a tablespoon. And then we're going to add a little bit of scent. So I'm going to add just a drop or 2 of our peppermint oil. Okay, that's more than a drop, but it'll make it amazing. And then we will stir. And I'm making a little bit of a mess over here too. So this will be a coarser and thicker oatmeal based scrub. What we'll do is add some of this hand scrub on here. So this is what this one looks like. I'm going to, ooh, it feels good too. Oh my goodness. Greasy and coarser because the sea salt is really coarse. So I'm going to do this very lightly because my skin is extremely sensitive. So the oatmeal is calming, the salt is exfoliating, the coconut oil obviously is moisturizing, and then you have a nice peppermint scent. So, man, this is amazing. Now I can't wait to do this on my feet because this is gonna be awesome. So let me okay, so I'm just rinsing my fingers. Looks like this one is a bit more, you're gonna have to work a little bit more to get this stuff off. Okay, so definitely greasier than the last one, but it feels good also. Oh man, this is amazing. So you have learned how to make 2 amazing sugar scrubs, one oatmeal based one as well as one sugar based one. We have gift ideas, so buy some glass or plastic containers, put your sugar scrub inside of it, and bam, you have a DIY gift for mommy, grandma, sister, auntie, cousin, etc. So Think about it. Gift ideas on deck. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. So make some of your own and tag us on Instagram at Whatsshecreating and leave us some comments. Let us know what you think. And thanks for watching.